Okay, we're going to do a quick tutorial video on how to take a handwritten assignment or document or worksheet and turn it into a PDF that can go into your Google Drive. And from there, it would be possible to upload it to your to your Edgenuity account through the submission page to your teacher. So all you're going to really need to do that for an Android device, right? This is going to be just for an Android. We did a video for iPhones also, and the process here is actually a little bit easier for the Android, so that's good. We're going to make sure you have the Google Drive app. It actually comes in this Google section on most Androids, but make sure you're signed in with your school account. That's really important. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, and hopefully you followed our advice and watched the previous video about how to assign permissions to your teacher. So you're going to want to create a folder in Google Drive called Edgenuity and give your appropriate teacher access to that folder by entering their email in the permissions page in the sharing section. So to actually upload the document, you're going to open Google, open Drive, and hopefully you navigate or created already the Edgenuity folder. You navigate there and click Edgenuity. And we suggested that you create 4 folders inside, one for each of the 4 subject areas. The document that I'm going to try and upload is actually a sample spelling test, so it would go into language arts. And we're going to now use this plus button on the bottom. Click the plus button, it'll bring up some options. And you can see the picture of the camera where it says scan. That's actually a feature that's not available on iPhones. This is just for Android, so you're going to hit scan. And it'll bring up your camera, flip it around, make sure that it's facing the paper, and now just push the picture button. It should count down from 5. Okay. That looks pretty good, so I'm going to hit OK. And it will convert it to a PDF just like that. So this one, it looks like it cropped perfectly. Sometimes it may not. This little button down here in the bottom right that looks kind of like a square. If I push this one right here, it'll allow me to crop it, right? So maybe I want to make it slightly different, but this one was actually good, so I'm going to keep it and just hit save. And if you're connected to the internet, it'll go straight into your Google Drive for that account. So now from your Chromebook or from your laptop, when you're in your Google Drive, it'll be visible. And when you're in the submission page in Edgenuity and you hit submit, you can go to your Google Drive and upload the link from this. And as long as you've done the sharing option with your teacher, they'll be able to read it.